The train station, Rome, Italy. The primary train station in Rome, Italy, is Termini Station, Stazione di Roma Termini. Here's some information about Termini Station. Location. Termini Station is located in the center of Rome, making it easily accessible from all parts of the city. It's situated near many major attractions, including the Colosseum and the Roman Forum. Transportation hub. Termini Station is not only a major railway station, but also a transportation hub for buses, taxis, and the metro, subway. It's the main interchange point for Rome's public transportation system, making it convenient for travelers to reach their destinations within the city and beyond. Services. Termini Station offers a wide range of services and amenities for travelers, including ticket counters, information desks, currency exchange, luggage storage, restaurants, cafes, shops, and restrooms. Train connections. Termini Station serves as a major hub for both regional and national train services, connecting Rome to cities throughout Italy and beyond. It's serviced by high-speed trains, Freccia Rossa, Freccia Argento, and Freccia Bianca, as well as regional trains, Intercity, Regionale, and Regionale Veloce. International connections. Termini Station also offers international train connections to cities in neighboring countries, such as France, Switzerland, Austria, and Germany, through services like Fellow and Eurocity. Accessibility. Termini Station is accessible to travelers with disabilities, with facilities such as elevators, ramps, accessible restrooms, and designated seating areas. Safety and security. Like any major transportation hub, Termini Station has security measures in place to ensure the safety of travelers. Be vigilant of your belongings and surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Information. If you need assistance or information while at Termini Station, you can visit one of the information desks or speak to station staff, who are usually multilingual and able to help with inquiries. Overall, Termini Station serves as the central transportation hub in Rome, providing convenient access to trains, buses, and the metro, as well as a range of services for travelers. Whether you're arriving in Rome or departing from the city, Termini Station is likely to be a key part of your journey. Find more vlogs at https://www.supax.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. Scale effortlessly with nuBeginning Success. Tribe's comprehensive resources.